are now going to continue with your favorite and ever favorite part of this session with our dear guest, my dear ate. Hello. My mom, I think my mom's sleeping. I cannot hear her right now. Okay. Let me think about my question. Wait. My first question is, why did Isaac pretend that his wife was his sister?
Because God told him to stay there, right?
Huh? Oh yeah. Wait. That's
God told them. God told him.
Oh, okay.
Diba?
So that's why they were pretending that Okay, I guess it's simple. Just like what happened in Abraham's time. Okay.
You understand about that?
Yes, I understand. It's simple. My next question is, why was there a famine in Egypt?
In Egypt,
Yeah.
God wanted.
Look. What happened?
And God wanted what you
Oh.
wanted Isaac to this because he want Isaac is in the promised land.
Oh, in Gerar. Okay. But first, can I ask what's a famine?
Ano? Ano bang Tagalog? Pagtulog ba?
Tuyot?
Tama ba ako pagtulog?
That means they had no water?
Walang tubig. Paano sila mabubuhay?
Oh my gosh. Dehydration.
Parang nangyari sa mga servant ni Abraham. Yung wala na silang makain, mainom, ganun.
No food, no water?
Oo.
Scarce. I feel bad for them. Wow.
Nagugutom na sila.
Oh my gosh.
So, nakita niya kung how Isaac trusted God or Isaac, anong gagawin niya sa Genesis 26:5 yun, di ba, na sabi niya doon na yung God reaffirm the covenant ba yun?
Yeah.
With Isaac, nakalagay doon. So, tinitingnan ng Diyos, test ng Diyos kay Isaac, Isaac trust God or he remain
Unfaithful. If he remained that way.
and remain in the promised land or he go. Just a test.
It's like a test. So it depends. It's like just a testing. What would he do?
Hanggang ngayon, alam mo ba, until now, Egypt is still famine.
Really?
Yeah, Egypt, like Africa.
It's hot.
No, famine.
There's no food, there's no waa. I thought there was war there.
Yeah.
Double the famine.
Syria.
Oh my gosh. I feel bad for them.
Yeah.
Because that's where, Bimilik used
We
to.
watch before in, di ba? In news. You see the baby crying.
Oh my god.
Almost no food, no. I know.
Yeah, I know. It's sad because the people there, in a famine, just like before. Just like now, in Isaac's, time. Ay.
But it's worse than before. Now it's worse than before.
Yeah, true. It's worse than before. Okay. Matod gustong is, why did Abimelech quarreled with Isaac?
He was afraid.
He was angry. Kind of like that.
Abimelech?
Yeah. Because he quarreled with, Isaac.
Small conflict ata yun eh. Because si Rebecca and Isaac, kasi, nagsinungaling si Isaac kasi, di ba?
Oh, yeah.
Isaac lied. Isaac, lied to Abimelech as we, we already learned this in the past chapters, di ba?
Yeah.
But Isaac, si Abraham ba yun?
Before it was,
Isaac.
Abraham.
Now Isaac again.
Yeah.
Same what Abraham did before to
The king.
Hagar.
King Abimelech.
Abraham and
Sarah.
sino ba kasi yun? What? So Isaac lied to Abimelech. Then Abimelech saw Isaac and Rebecca ang sweet nila, nagko-holding hands, sweet. So Abimelech saw them, then they just, conflict, confront. Only like that.
Maybe he was jealous.
He not jealous because Isaac and Rebecca was,
Very?
true, wife and husband and wife. Because they married before, right?
Yeah.
They have son. Esau and Jacob.
Yes. Oh. I kinda wanna see what marriages were back then.
So Abimelech saw it that I don't know what's the reason of Isaac highlight there, but it's right in there that di ba?
He was scared.
Yeah.
What a scaredy cat.
Maybe Isaac is scared because yung nakasulat kasi dyan, he thought Abimelech was,
Ruthless?
hurt him to take Rebecca because, Rebecca was so beautiful, right?
Wow, I'm jealous.
So, he just want to care his life, of course. That's why, sometimes, white lies is, it's not a white lie.
Gray lies. It's between black and white. Gray. Partially bad lie, partially good lies. That's it. Maybe like that. It's not a white lies eh. I have some feeling of
Because
suspiciousness.
Abimelech is the king, right?
Yes.
The king at that time.
Yep.
So maybe Isaac Isaac thought that maybe the king will hurt him, and of course the people around him. Because Rebecca is so, maybe she was like the Princess Diana. Yeah,
Princess Diana is very beautiful.
yeah, same like that.
I would love to see Rebecca. I would love to see Sarah too.
Same Princess Sarah.
Somebody's complimenting me.